Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to use the Interactive Task Assistant in Writix. Let's get started. Go to the Sidebar section. Click on the Interactive Task Assistant. You can generate content for whatever you feel like using the Interactive Task Assistant feature. Whatever you require, add the details here. Let me add it for the demo. Then choose an AI model. You'll notice a drop-down menu for AI models, and you can see a variety of AI. You can see here that there are different credits for each model. You can see the model credits cost here. I am selecting a model to generate content, and select a content response language. Then click on the Let's Go button. Next, we have to add details here. Fill in all your details. Then choose an AI model. I am selecting a model to generate content, and select a content response language. You can use multiple AI models here. You can use the multiple AI model by clicking on this plus icon button. You can remove the model by clicking on the delete icon here. Next, click on the generate button to generate content. This is the generated content according to your input. There are two buttons available at the bottom. The first is the text copy button, and the second is the text download file button. Click on the copy button to copy the content and use it, and click on the download button to download the file. You can regenerate the model response by clicking on the regenerate button. You can see AI model details. That's how easy it is to use the Interactive Task Assistant in Writix. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.